Good morning, my friends. We're going to talk about the Gebo stone, which translates to gift. And if you've been watching the playbook, you know this is my favorite rune. So, modern interpretation, gift and exchange, partnership and harmony, balance and fairness, hospitality and openness, sacred giving and abundance, fate and destiny, communication and connection, new beginnings and growth. And here are some journal prompts. So Gebo isn't just about gifts that you give, physical gifts. It's about our gifts that Spirit has given us. It's about the gifts that we give others. It's about generosity and kindness. And if you think about a gift, you can give gifts to yourself, you can give gifts to others, but it's the intentionality of the giving, right? Like you could give, like I could give this eraser, to somebody and just say, hey, you need an eraser, here you go, right? It's not really a gift. It's just, you need it in the moment. A gift, this gift happened to come from Sassy, is something with intention. It's something that's given and received with intention. And so our spiritual gifts, we're given our specific spiritual gifts by Spirit as as gifts that we can use in this physical world to make the world a better place. So it's like such an exciting, it's such an exciting gift, right? And it's two-way. Like even if you give your gift to yourself, you're giving that gift through Spirit, so it's definitely two-way. You're gifting it to yourself and you're receiving it for yourself. So it's one of the reasons I like the stone. Anyway, if you want to journal about it, you can talk about, a physical gift that you receive. You can talk about your spiritual gifts that you received. You can talk about balance, give and take in relationships that you might be in. You get to talk about abundance and all the things that, really when you think about gifts, like it's hard. You might think, nobody ever gives me any gifts, and, I never get any presents. I never get anything. But really, gratitude is all about all of the gifts, right? That you got up this morning, in your house that has heat and it's the middle of winter, and that you have clothing to put on to be warm. You have a tea kettle you can turn on to make yourself a cuppa or a coffee pot or whatever it is you use, gratitude for all of the gifts. It's hard to remember that a lot of these things are gifts. I was just thinking about this when I was thinking about my ancestors. This was in the shower last night, and I just thought, wow, when the ancestors must look down on us, they must be like, what is all this apparatus? Like, what is this? Like, my shower is so fancy upstairs. And, I'm thinking my ancestors are like, we went to the creek. Like, why are you complaining that this is this way? Like you have such blessings in the modern age. Why are you all so miserable? Um, you know, Stands to reason we shouldn't be, but we always want more. So I'm trying to be grateful and gifted. Gebo, when you get that stone, is a reminder to be grateful. And here are some journal prompts for you. So I'm wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye.